And a new museum exhibit in historic St. Andrews will open today to the public, and it's all about how our community is working to grow stronger.
Mackenzie McClintock has all the details at that new exhibit where she's live at the Panama City Publishing Company Museum. Good morning, Mackenzie.
Hey, Chris and Aaron, that is exactly right. Well, the museum's opening day is today, October 20th, as far as this exhibit goes, but we know this was more than 2 years ago, Nancy Hudson, that this community was impacted. Talk about how you all have worked to put this Hurricane Michael exhibit together since then.
Well, last year in September, we were awarded funding from the Florida Humanities, and we put out a call for people to fill out a small questionnaire and submit their stories, answer some questions, and then our scholars selected from the group of submissions that we received, and we interviewed those people and put this together, collected photographs, along with some from Channel 13 from Ross Whitley.
We love that, of course. Shout out to Ross and Lauren, Melissa, everybody who worked so hard during that tropical weather season, but this community has also worked hard to recover. So tell us a little bit about how this exhibit exhibits that.
It does. While we show you the damage and talk about significant impacts to individuals and organizations and commercial businesses, we're also talking about the recovery. And even since we've completed this last month and have put this on the wall, we hear the wonderful news that FEMA is awarding funding for the Friends of Governor Stone to rebuild her. And so we're looking forward to that. And they appreciate continued support for that too, as we all do through this time.
Right. Yeah, so if the community wants to come out and support, they can. That's really by coming to see this exhibit. Now, admission's free, but talk to us about the hours that you'll be open.
We open today, 1 o'clock, open Tuesday through Fridays, 1 to 5:30, Saturdays, 9 to 1. Tomorrow night, 5:30, we're going to have a public program. You can come and view the exhibit then and hear Dr. Jason Wenzel from Gulf Coast State College. He'll be speaking, and he was part of this project and gave his time for us as well.
Absolutely. We also want to talk about what it means to you guys to have this around the same time as you're celebrating 100 years in the community. You've got new floors that mark the destruction that happened, but a whole lot more history that marks all of those 100 years.
Yes, we are celebrating 100 years. It's been a great year for the museum. The new floors are part of our Hurricane Michael story because it was damaged and we've had to replace those, but it's old, it's new old wood, if that makes any sense.
Yes.
It was reclaimed lumber. And of course, we found artifacts under the floor, and we have that new exhibit as well, with what we found when we were digging while they had the boards up.
It's very unique.
It is. So there's just a lot to see. This is a great museum with the printing craft and the history of George West and his contributions to Panama City, but there's so much more here, and we hope people will come out and join it. Also, tomorrow evening, if you don't want to come get in public, we will be on Facebook Live, 6 o'clock.
All righty, we'll have all those details on our website too, so you can make sure to tune in. We'll check out that other Under the Floors exhibit here in just a little bit. But